Good morning. Today is the day after the 4th. And this is the St. Paul's Chapel just beside our hotel. And it's on hollow ground too. Like most churches. That's a gravesite. And there's a subway here, Fulton Street. And that's where we're staying. Millennium Hotel. and this is Face Ensemble. And this is my wearing ultra high anti-UV clothing. Okay, let's go. We're going to Brooklyn Bridge today, plus the 9/11 walking tour.
And then probably we'll go to the Brooklyn place that you haven't seen that time.
Yeah, and
nice
Brookfield Greenhouse. Greenhouse. That's the itinerary for today. Let's go and explore. Yeah. My Kmart fishing hat is still ready, alive, and ready. Let's go. Wow. East side Manhattan.
Metal cable roofs.
Very strong. And that's the other side. I try not to swivel too much. Erected the cities of New York and Brooklyn. There, guys, the Brooklyn Bridge. And the bridge. Okay, let me pan it a little bit. Going up first. And on the left. Whoa. And towards the right. Yeah, boy. Then 360 or 180. Whoop. Oh, that's a nice view. Yeah. And Faye, she's always nearby. There you go. There she is. USA flag and the Brooklyn Bridge. I think I'm on the middle part of the bridge. Faye decided to stay behind again because according to her she is overheating. Understandable. Yeah, it's a bit warm and it's summer, still summer. Although they say it's gonna be overcast. But you know, weather people, they're very unreliable. Okay, so we're at the middle of the bridge, the span of the bridge. Okay, so we walked all the way out there. Faye is on that other span over there. Oh, Statue of Liberty. There she is. Tours going in and out every day, 24/7. Engineering marvels, and I'm standing on it. Woo-ha! There's humongous giant bridge. Yeah, here's another one. They always feature this on the TV or movies, and they say Brooklyn. That's the bridge, and you have this brick housing or buildings, red bricks. But you never We never saw the other side of this photo, which is the 180 is this one. Ta-da! Very crowded. So I came from that side. That's where the bridge is. From the right hand side. Okay. And helicopters above. Every time I see a helicopter, I remember lions. And there it is. So it's a blue or green bridge. I didn't realize that one. I remember it was colored red or black. That's how I recall. Apparently it's not. It's blue. Blue-gray. You hear that? That's the train. We're underneath the bridge. The train line. Obviously. Woo! Okay. And on my left is the Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, Brooklyn downtown. So this is the government offices, the plaza, the main plaza. I need to go back to Manhattan. I'm just walking, doing the walking tour myself. Faye had to go back to the hotel because she couldn't take the heat. WeWork. WeWork. Okay. I think that's the City Hall, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And I'm planning to the left. Supreme Court, State of New York. All right. Supreme Court. So this is the Supreme Court now. This is where things are handed down. Okay. There's this huge building over here. Oh, I have to tilt backwards. Okay, so we're inside the Brookfield Place, the greenhouse. Look, American flag right off the bat. They're very patriotic here, Americans, and they really love their soldiers, their servicemen, which is never seen anywhere else in the world. They get extra perks at the airports, and they have memorials everywhere, monuments for them. Wow, amazing. And you see these palm trees. Are they palm trees? I'm not sure. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, they are. No, they're not real. Could be. Could be wrong.
You know that area.
Hey, look!
36 for 10.
It's a Filipino store. Here.
Sama ba nung Peter Shanghayan?
Yeah. Yeah, wow. Okay. Yeah, we order here.
Huh?
We order here. We try the barbecue. Barbecue Pinoy. Yeah. Yeah. Is that a vinegar? Yes. And chili one. Nice. Wait, that's enough. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Lamat. Some trivia for you guys. So the World Trade Center, the One World Trade Center, number 1, is the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere at the moment. So my understanding there is the tallest building here in the US. Okay, it is 1,776 feet high, which is also the year of their independence, July 4th, 1776. And also that antenna up there, 300 something feet, is the same height of the Statue of Liberty, that antenna. See, we learn a lot from the tours. And extra information. So that is One World Trade Center. Yeah, they call it one because there's number 2. See, number 2 is unfinished right there. Okay, number 3 is this one next door. Pardon the lamp, but yeah, beside number 3 is number 4. Number 4 World Trade Center. Number 5 is right behind it. Wow, you won't see it. It's on it's the glare. So 6 is not built yet. 6, and number 7 is this one. Number 7 World Trade Center. So there were actually 7 buildings that were destroyed during the 9/11. So not just the Twin Towers, which I originally thought. So the surrounding buildings were destroyed too. So not just 2 towers. There were 7 towers all up. So they had to rebuild all 7 towers. Also the surrounding buildings here. They said all the buildings were all the windows were blasted out. And that's the subway that connected all the 7 buildings. So they had to create that one too, the new one, the Oculus, which the tour guide said to us rivals the Grand Central, the one near Times Square, the old one, the big one. Yeah, the rivals in terms of capacity. So if you go inside there, it looks like a modern version of the Grand Central Station. Fully air conditioned too. So yeah, train station that's fully air conditioned. Nice, very nice in there. I thought it was just a mall, but yeah, it's the hub for all the underground trains. And there you have it. We were planning to go to Brookfield Place, just right there, for dinner, but it started to rain, so change of plans. That's the greenhouse I was talking earlier. The greenhouse, the glass house, which is a mall too. I don't know why they haven't lit up the lights, but yeah, later you will see it. It will turn green. And you will see there's a glass dome in there. Maybe if I zoom in, it will look better. Yeah, there it is. So, yeah, normally they put the lights in there so it will glow up.